Walaikum assalam. Yeah, I'm doing great. What about you? Yeah, you all are looking very energetic today. So, are you ready for that class? Yes! So, today we are going to learn a very different topic, that is actually how to describe these instruments. Look, you just look, there are many instruments on the table. What's this? This is, of course, this is a table. So there are many instruments on the table. So today, everyone has to describe these instruments one by one. First of all, just you pay attention and look at me and try to understand how I'm going to present this topic today before you. Okay? So first of all, when you will go to start any topic, first of all, you have to give your simple introduction. I mean, what's your name? Where are you from? What class do you study in? And what's your school's name? Only 4 or 5 sentences. Tell me. First one is, what's your name? Tell me. What's your name? Where are you from? What class do you study in? And what's your school's name? So how many sentences?
4.
So first one is?
What's your name?
Then second one is? Where are you from? Then third number, third one is? No. What class? Not reading, actually. It's not. What class do you read in? What class do you study in? Or what class are you in? Tell me, what class do you study in? Then last one is, what's your school's name? Okay? So for example, I'm Jabir, you come to me. What's your name? You come here. You come here. Take the microphone. What's your name?
My name is Sheikh Jabir.
But we'll say in this way, I'm Sheikh Jabir. Tell me, I'm Sheikh Jabir.
I'm Sheikh Jabir.
I'm going to tell my name and you just tell me your name. I'm Forhad Islam. You can call me Forhad Sir. Together, everyone. Not it's not it will be I'm. Listen again. I'm going to tell, listen. I'm going to tell my name. You just tell me your name after me. Okay, so I'm Forhad Islam. You can call me Forhad Sir. You tell your name.
I'm Sheikh Jabir. You can call me Jabir.
Okay, then I'm from Cox's Bazar. Kalor Dukan is to be more exact.
I'm from Cox's Bazar.
Everyone together, please. I'm from
Cox's Bazar. Bazar to be more exact.
Exact. Then you just think that I'm a student of class 2. My school's name is Cox's Bazar International School. Then you please.
I'm a student of class 1.
Tell everyone, please, what class
I
you
study in class 1. My school's name is Cox's Bazar International School.
Okay. Now you have to tell another sentence, that is, now I'm gonna describe these instruments. Tell me.
Now I'm gonna describe.
I'm gonna describe the instruments.
I'm gonna describe these instruments.
Where's your ID card? Where is your ID card? Will I give you punishment? So, will you bring ID card from the next class? Keep in mind, okay? Okay. I won't give you permission to enter the class without ID card. This is the last time I've said also to you, okay? So listen, look. So look at me. So, Jabir, tell me, and everyone please tell me. Now I'm gonna describe these instruments.
Now I'm gonna these
instruments.
These instruments.
There are many instruments on the table. There are many instruments on the table, or here are many instruments on the table. Tell me. Here are many instruments on the table.
Here are many instruments in the table.
Here are many instruments on the table.
Here are many instruments.
Here are many instruments.
Here are many instruments
on the table.
On the table.
Here are many instruments on the table. Not here is here. Here are many instruments.
Here are many instruments
on the table. Here is a wallet. Here is a wallet.
Here is a
Here
wallet.
is a wallet.
Here is a wallet.
The wallet is chocolate in color.
The wallet is chocolate in color.
And here is a cactus.
Here is a cactus.
Here are 4 colors in the cactus.
Here are 4 colors in the cactus.
4 colors in the cactus.
4 colors in the
You just keep
cactus.
silent and listen to me. Okay. So here is a clock.
Here is a
Here is a
clock.
clock.
Here is a clock.
Here is a clock.
Here is a clock.
And here is a microphone.
Here is a microphone.
The microphone is black in color.
The microphone black
Here is
in color.
an AC remote.
There is AC remote.
Here is an AC remote.
Here is the AC remote.
The remote is white in color.
The remote is white in color.
And my favorite color is white.
And my favorite color is white.
Okay. And yeah, here are 2 marker pens. One is blue, another one is red. Exactly. Thank you. Okay, here is a pointer. The pointer is also black in color as like the microphone. Okay, yeah, here is a mobile phone and the mobile phone is blue. What is it's not a, yeah, maybe it's a sky blue. So the mobile phone is a sky blue in color. Okay, there are many types of blue colors actually. So have you got the lesson? Then that's all. Listen, the finishing sentence is that's all about the instruments. Tell me, that's all
That's all
about the instruments.
about this instrument.
Thank you. Okay, you come to me. You please have a seat. Thank you. You come. Jawad, come. Come fast. Have you got the lesson? Take the microphone. You come here. Stand up. First of all, you have to give your simple introduction. Then you have to describe these instruments. Please, everyone, please pay attention and look at him. Hello. Look. Stop.
I am Jadi.
No. First of all, salam.
Assalamu alaikum.
Walaikum assalam. No, he'll start. There is no need to ask him some questions. He'll start, please. He'll go. He'll tell, please. Of course. Please start from the beginning.
Assalamu alaikum.
With a smiling face. Assalamu alaikum. I'm Forhad Islam. You can call me Forhad Sir. I'm a student of class 2. My school's name's Bazar International School. Today, I'm going to describe these instruments. Okay. So please start again from the beginning.
Assalamu alaikum.
Walaikum assalam.
I am Jad bin Salam Saad. You can call me Saad. I am from Cox's Bazar and I'm trying to be more exact.
Okay.
I read in class.
No, is it I reading? I studying.
I study in class 2. My school's name BM Laboratory School and College Cox's Bazar.
No, sorry. Sorry. No. My school's name's Cox's Bazar, BIM Laboratory School and College. School and College. Okay?
My
Tell, please.
school's name is
My school's names.
My school's name's BM Laboratory School and College Cox's Bazar.
Okay, fine. Then please now.
Now I'm gonna describe the instruments.
These instruments. There is a long vowel sound. These instruments.
These instruments.
So then.
So let's
Then
start.
start. Here is a.
Here is a clock.
And the clock is looking.
And the clock is looking very beautiful.
Okay.
There is a
Here is a.
Here is a cactus. There are 4 colors. This is a chocolate
You
color.
just hold on your microphone by your left hand. Then there is no need to use your 2 hands together to describe this flower. This cactus. Please, come on.
This is a cactus. The cactus is 4 in color.
It has 4 colors.
It
It has 4 colors.
It has 4 colors.
Brown.
Brown, green, pink and yellow.
That's fine. Keep it, please. Then next one.
There is a pen holder.
Here is a, not there.
Here
Here
is
is a.
a pen holder. The pen holder is chocolate in color. There are many pencils and pens.
Okay, fine then.
There are
Here are.
Here are two markers.
Okay.
Here
One
are-
is
One is blue in color,
Another one is.
another one is red in color. There is a
Here is a.
here is a pointer. The pointer is black in color.
Okay.
Here is a microphone.
Good.
The microphone is black in color.
Good.
Here is a remote.
Here is an.
Here
Here is
is
an
an-
AC remote.
Here is an AC remote. Here is an AC remote. The AC remote is white in color. There is a
Here is a.
Here is a money bag.
Here is a wallet. It's not a money bag. Many people say that actually it's a money bag. No, there are many documents. Okay, so here is it's a wallet. Tell me wallet.
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 Here is a wallet.
Here is a wallet.
So please,
Here is a wallet. The wallet is chocolate in color.
thank you. Fine. Then
That's all about the instruments.
thank you.
Thank you.
Clap for
Bye.
him. Bye. You have a seat, please. Okay. Next one. You come. Come here. Then start, please. Come here. Okay. So you can start in this way. Good afternoon, my dear friends.
Good afternoon, my dear friends.
Good afternoon, everyone.
I'm Orko Deverish. You can call me Orko. I'm from Cox's Bazar, Terminus to be more exact. My father's name's Pradipda. He is a businessman. My mother's name's Gopida. She is a homemaker.
Yeah. Now
Now I'm gonna describe the
You just always try to smile, okay? You have to keep smiling on your face. Then the audiences will enjoy you. Okay. So now I'm gonna describe the instruments, please.
Now I'm gonna describe the instruments. There are two marker pens.
Here are.
Here are two marker pens. One is red in color and one is blue in color. And there is a
Here is a.
here is a microphone, and the microphone is black in color. There is a
No,
clock.
there is. Here is.
Here is a clock. Here is a crack.
The clock is
The clock is
looking
very interesting,
not interesting, very beautiful.
very beautiful.
Then
There's a cactus.
here is, not
Here-
there is, here is. Everyone has to use here. Here is or here. Tell me, here is or here. Okay, then
Here is a
cactus,
cactus,
and it has
brown
it has how many colors?
It has
4 colors.
It has 4 colors. One is brown color, one is green color, and one is pink color, and one is yellow color.
Okay, then
There is a
here is a, not there is. I've said
here
many
is a-
times that not here, there is a. Here is a.
here is a wallet.
Okay, then the wallet is
The wallet is
the wallet is
the wallet is
chocolate in color.
chocolate in color. There
Then-
is a
Here is a.
here is a AC remote.
So disgusting. Here is a, not there is a.
Here is a AC remote.
Here is an AC
Here is an AC.
remote.
Here is an AC remote, and the remote is white in color.
Okay, and we can control the AC by the remote. We can control, or we control actually, we control air conditioner by the remote. Okay, then finish.
Here is a
Tissue box,
tissue box.
or here is a pack of tissue. Then, thank you very much. And how to finish? Okay, friends, that's all.
Okay, friends,
That's all about the instruments.
that's all about the instruments.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you. Clap for him. But you have to enjoy, no, by right hand. Okay, next one. Come, please, from girls. Can you come here? Jeba Maliha, come to me. Jeba Maliha, take the microphone, please, and go there. Come here. Come on, please.
Assalamu alaikum.
Come forward. Walaikum assalam. Everyone has to answer, please.
I am Jeb Maliha. You can call me Maliha.
Then,
I'm from Cox's Bazar, Tag Paris to be more exact.
good.
I am reading.
No, I'm a student of.
I am a student of class 2. My school names Grammar schools.
Cox's Bazar Grammar
Cox's-
School.
Cox's
Listen,
Bazar-
Cox's Bazar Grammar School.
Cox's Bazar Grammar Schools. Now I'm gonna the instruments.
I'm gonna describe.
I'm gonna describe the instruments.
Come forward, then please present. Here is a.
Here is a cactus. The
It has.
it has four colors.
Good.
Here
Brown.
brown color, another is green color, another pink
Hold on your
color,
microphone to your mouth.
is pink color, and yellow color. Here is a clock.
Good.
There is
The clock is?
the clock is bright. The clock looks so bright.
The clock is looking beautiful.
The clock is looking beautiful.
Okay.
Is a wallet.
Here is a wallet.
Here is a wallet. The wallet color is chocolate color.
The wallet is chocolate in color.
The wallet is chocolate in color. Is a microphone.
Here is a microphone.
Here is a microphone. The microphone is black in color. Here are two marker pen. One is blue color, another one is red in color. Here is pen holder.
Here is a pen holder.
Here is a pen holder. There is many pencils and many pen. Here is an AC remote. White in color. Here is a tissue box. The tissue box is white in color.
Okay, then finish.
That's all about
The instruments.
instruments. Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you. Clap for her. Okay, thank you very much.
May I come in, sir?